another thunderstorm. Lots of lightning happening outside right now. I just heard thunder. Hey guys, welcome back to Extreme Storm Season 2. I have no idea which episode it is, but as you can hear, another thunderstorm. This time it is in June, all the other ones were in May. It's not raining too terribly. The ants are surely afraid, but yeah, we're gonna watch this storm for a while. Starting to get windy. It is still raining. It's getting darker over there, but it is moving that way. But there could be another storm coming from over there. We're not completely certain yet. But I've seen some lightning hit the ground, and this looks like it's developing even more. Oh, gosh, was this just a flash, or did a raindrop just fall into my eye? I think a raindrop just fell into my eye. But yeah, I'm gonna start another time lapse. Guys, just got back from that very short time lapse. I know the time lapse has been short recently, but it almost looks like, from looking at the time lapse and looking at the radar, that this thing is trying to grow toward us, and it's even becoming sunny up here, but the wind is pushing it that way. So if the wind wasn't here, this thing would be on top of us right now.
That's what she said.
So yeah, I don't think this storm is going to be here for very long, because if I go out the front, if we go out the front, it is raining and windy right now, but it is sunny. The darkness is out there, so it might come around the back, but you can see it's rainy. The storm has passed the front and is over here, but then it's trying to grow into the back, to the northern part over here. So yeah, we'll see what happens in a little bit, and I'll update you guys. The storm is growing, but it is moving away. It might not be moving away at this point. It almost looks like it's trying to come back over us again, but again, we will update you guys. Lots of lightning happening outside right now. I just heard thunder. And it's windy. Let's look out here, right here. I've been seeing lightning. Oh, I saw a flash over there.